Hi everyone, அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Today, Thursday. Thursday means Sai Baba's special day. Baba means father. He is the father figure of everyone. He loves each and everyone. He gives his blessings each and every one in the universe. Those who are Baba's devotee, Baba bless them also. Those who are not believing Baba, Baba bless them also. Each and every one is equal in front of Baba's eyes. Today, I am going to share few useful informations about the accommodation facilities, available accommodation facilities in Shirdi. Every year, past few 5 to 6 years, we are blessed. We got chance to go to Baba's Mandir every year to get Baba's blessings. As I told you in my previous video, Baba showered his blessings on us. Today, my family members are mentally, physically fit because of Baba's blessings. We have satisfaction in our mind. We are very much satisfied what we have. The financial things, financial matters are not so very important. The important is that how much we are satisfied in our life. That is very much important. That satisfaction, that mental maturity blessed us by Baba. So, I just want to share the informations. Every time many of them asked me, and whenever they came to me that we are going to Shirdi to darshan, to do the darshan of Baba, the main first question I used to get my friends, that is, where are you people are going to stay? So, I thought this is the very big question in their mind. Many of them are having very limited budget, very limited money for their Shirdi travel. Baba always see the depth of the devotion, depth of the belief of the devotees. So, with Baba's blessings, each and everything is available in Shirdi, from water to food, medicine, medical facilities to accommodation, in a low cost price, so that everyone can easily use the facilities. That is the very big thing that I have observed in these days, in these years. So, 2 to 3 places are there, that is Shirdi Ashram, Shirdi Sai Baba Shakstan. They are running, they are managing these places. You must have to visit Shirdi whenever you are going to plan Shirdi Sai Baba Mandir. Definitely the informations that I am going to share with you will help you to find the proper place to stay with your family. First thing is that Sai Ashram or Bhakti Niwas, Sri Sai Ashram Phase 1, consisting of 1536 rooms, can accommodate 9,000 devotees. Can you imagine how much it is? Very big place. And 1,152 common rooms with attached washrooms and 384 AC rooms. In addition, there is a common service block with a restaurant for devotees. It also has an open air theatre to accommodate about 2,000 devotees for Sai Kirtans and Bhajans and other cultural programs. One another place, that is the Sai Baba Bhakti Niwas Thalam, 500 rooms, the very big accommodations. It is about 1 kilometer away on south of the Mandir complex. On the highway itself, free bus services shuttling from Bhakti Niwas to Mandir complex, 24 hours water supply, electricity supply, and it is equipped with the solar hot water system. All the facilities are there for the people from the age newborn baby to the age level 80-90. Each and every one can stay there comfortably for getting Baba's darshan. And the prasad, the food facilities, 3 time quality, tasty, healthy food, prasad in the form of prasad is available for the devotees 3 times at free of cost. So many things are there to share with each and every one about these places. Those who are really planning to go to Shirdi after the COVID-19 pandemic situation will get over, definitely these informations that I am sharing with you will help you, I believe. Really, once you will go there, Shirdi, it's a divine feeling, you will experience it. No one can explain the feeling. No one can tell how they are feeling, how they felt when they are in the temple, inside the temple. It's the feeling that everyone must have to experience in your life. So, being Baba's diehard devotee, I request each and every one, try to visit Shirdi once in your lifetime. Then you will come to know how much Baba is always with us. Whenever we have any problem, just take Baba's name. Om Sai Ram. Baba will show you the path. Baba will take you to the destination with him. He will be the moral support of us. He will give the strength us to come out all the obstacles, to come across the problems. Those who believe Baba, really, Baba, the word I feel, Baba means father. So he is the father of mine that I believe. Everyone must have to go there once in their lifetime, and in forthcoming my videos I will share more information about the accommodation facilities and other facilities, what are the available facilities are there for all the devotees, those who are coming from the faraway places to visit Baba's holy place. Thank you for sharing your valuable time with me. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my video. Om Shai Ram.